So let's take a look at our 2017 GMC Terrain SLE-2 all-wheel drive. Now this is a great crossover for a couple reasons here, guys. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 engine paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission, so you're getting not only plenty of power, but great fuel economy, especially on the highway. And once again, going to all 4 wheels, so you'll be nice and safe in the winter time. Now, as we take a look down here at the wheels, these are 18-inch aluminum wheels on all-season tires. Very nice wheels in great condition here. And as we move around the side, a couple more features I want to make note of. You've got the remote start on this vehicle. You've also got just over 51,000 kilometers, so you could still expect factory warranty on top of our GM certified warranty. As we take a look around the other side here, gonna head around to the back end where you're gonna find your dual exhaust system. You've got the trailering package on this vehicle, so you could definitely tow as soon as you drive off the lot. This thing is ready to tow. As we take a look inside the tailgate itself, you're gonna find plenty of cargo volume back here. You've got the subwoofer in the back, cargo cover, and the seats do fold down nice and flat. Full-size spare tire with a jack is gonna be located underneath there, and you do have a 12-volt DC charge outlet if you need to plug something in the trunk. Now allow me to open up the driver's side where we're going to take a look at all the stuff you have here in the driver's seat. So you've got the cloth interior here with the red stitching, really nice and unique to the Terrain vehicles. You've got your your power adjustable seats with lumbar support, and then of course leather wrapped steering wheel. Now on the door panel itself, you've got your power adjustable mirrors, 1 touchdown windows, and your Pioneer premium audio system. Okay, now inside the Terrain, a couple of the main selling features that you need to know about. Starting off on the steering wheel, you've got our cruise controls here on the left, as well as all of your radio and volume controls on the right. You've also got the hands-free Bluetooth call button on your steering wheel. On the radio itself, you've got your Sirius XM, AM and FM radio. You've got Bluetooth phone pairing once again, and USB and auxiliary inputs, so you could basically plug in whatever kind of device you want, and that's going to work great in your GMC Terrain. Now moving a little bit lower, you've got the climate controls and front heated seats, as well as some buttons that are going to configure your digital gauge cluster there on the front. All your fuel economy and info is going to be displayed right there in front of you. Now on the gear shifter itself, you've got your backup camera as well as your trajectory, which is going to help you park. You've even got a manual mode here if you want to use the button on top of the knob to shift your vehicle. Traction control, of course, and some USB ports down below if you open up the armrest. Now up on the ceiling itself here, you've got the auto dimming mirror with your OnStar buttons, interior dome lights, and your power slide and tilt sunroof controls. And take a look at this sunroof here, really nice. Now let's take a look into the back seat of the GMC Terrain. Plenty of legroom for 3 more passengers. You've also got the armrest with the cup holders and another DC charge outlet in the back. So overall, pretty clean, really great condition overall, the interior of this vehicle. So overall, if you're looking to get into a great, reliable SUV for the winter months, the GMC Terrain is a great option for those looking to haul 5 passengers comfortably while still having plenty of cargo room in the back for your bags and luggage. So I invite you over to McNaught. Come take a look at this Terrain for yourself, and we've even got a couple more on our lot, brand new ones and pre-owned. We're definitely going to help you out.